Get jet black hair permanently. Turn white hair to black naturally at home. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy to turn your white hair to black permanently. All we need is 2 tablespoons of indigo powder, which also known as henna powder, 1 tablespoon of tea, three tablespoons of coconut milk, Now mix all the ingredients very well. Then apply it on your hair from roots. And leave it on for 1 hour. Then wash it off by your regular shampoo. Finally, I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.